Hi friends! Today we're going to draw a super cute and adorable kawaii girl. Grab your paper and pencil. Let's get started. First, let's draw the shape of her head. Then, draw the hairline on top of the head. Now, let's add two eyebrows. Next, draw her tiny cute eyes. And don't forget her tiny smiling mouth. Add two ears on the sides of her head. Now let's draw her hair like this, so easy. Great job! Next, draw her to R's. And then her body. Let's draw her skirt under the shirt, just like this. Wow, you're doing amazing! Now draw her to little legs. Yay! Our kawaii girl drawing is done. Let's go over the lines to make them nice and clear. Now it's time to color. You can use any colors you have and love. First, add pastel pink to her blushing cheeks. Then add red to her cute little mouth. Now color her skirt and shoes with soft pink. Next, use bright yellow for her shirt.
Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do?
Then color her hair with deep black. Finally, color her socks with creamy white. Ta-da! Our kawaii girl is fully colored. So cute, right? Thanks so much for drawing and coloring with us today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this channel so you won't miss our next fun drawing video. See you next time. Bye-bye.